Hey guys, today I am doing another slime video. I haven't been doing slime in like a month. Ooh, look at that bubble right there. Whoa. Oh, it popped. Little one. Like, I love it when slime is a big part of me because it's just a really big part of me, and I've been watching slime videos for all my life, and when I saw people were like, you know how to make YouTube channels, I'm like, I want one of those. So I started my channel is about funniness and slime, and sometimes creepy guy. If you want to hear more creepy guy, just comment down below and leave a like and subscribe for more videos of creepy guy and more videos of slime, more funny videos, more what I'm doing, more stuffy stuff. So I just wanted you to leave a like, comment down below.